Hey there, my name is Amel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the HTTP 415 error that's been plaguing your website. This is a quick and easy process that anyone can do without any prior experience, so sit back, relax, and let me show you how it's done. The HTTP 415 error in WordPress can be a frustrating issue to deal with, but thankfully it is relatively easy to fix. The first step is to identify what might be causing the error. Potential causes can include plugins or themes that are not compatible with the version of WordPress you are running, such as incorrect web server configuration settings or incorrect file permissions on your server. Once you have identified the potential cause of the issue, the next step will be to take corrective action. If plugins or themes are causing the issue, then you should try replacing them with ones known to work with your version of WordPress. You could also deactivate all plugins one by one until you find which one is causing the problem. If incorrect web server configuration settings are responsible for triggering the error, then you may need to consult with your hosting provider for assistance in adjusting them as needed. This may involve in making changes to PHP directives such as post max size and upload max file size in order for them to match your needs more closely. Finally, if file permissions on your server are at fault, then this requires changing their read and write values. Using an FTP client or file manager from within cPanel, both available through most hosting providers' control panels. When setting file permissions, it is important to make sure that they do not exceed 755 for directories and 644 for files. Anything higher than these numbers can cause issues when attempting to access files on your site via a web browser. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly resolve any issues associated with the HTTP 415 error in WordPress. It is important not to only identify what may be causing the problem, but to also take corrective action accordingly in order to help ensure that your website remains functional at all times. UltaHost hosting can speed up your websites up to 300% with our next generation servers, which use 7 times faster NVMe disks than regular SSDs. All our plans come with unlimited bandwidth and 24/7 support with unlimited free server migrations from any host. Head to ultahost.com to get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and helpful content like this.